Hey guys, and welcome back. Today's video is going to be some type of cleaning video. I'm going to be going all over my house, but I'm not cleaning the entire house. I'm not about to clean this whole joker today. If you're cleaning along with me, girl, let's get our life. Let's get it together. And if you're not cleaning and you just need some motivation to get those little things done around your house, just keep watching. But hold on, you guys, before we get started, this is a collab with my good friend, my bestie here on YouTube, Jessica Tull. If you guys don't know who she is, girl, where you been? I will have all of her stuff linked down below. She is the mom to 3 of the cutest kids ever, Ruby, Sultan, and Amir. She does a lot of lifestyle organizing, cleaning, and motherhood type videos over there on her channel. You guys will be obsessed with her. Probably one of the funniest people I've ever met in my life. If you guys are coming over from Jessica's channel, hey girl, hey, thank you so much for coming over and taking the time out just to click the link. I know you guys love and support Jessica like crazy, just like I do. So thank you guys so much, and let's get started. You guys, this pile of laundry has been staring at me for days. She's shady. Am I the only one who steps over clean piles of laundry until you get that right feeling in your soul that it's time to fold it? If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Candice and I am a wife and mom of 2. We are a military family, so that means we move around a lot. I do cleaning, organization, and lifestyle type videos here on my channel, so if you love things like that, I would love for you to subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell so you'll be notified every time I put out content. I'll follow you. Now I'm just going to throw in a load of towels. I use the Up and Up brand of the All Free and Clear detergent pods because my 3-year-old actually has eczema, so we have to be really careful on what we wash his clothes with, and he actually has a couple of towels in this load. I do love my Tide and my Gain and my scent boosters. I just love the way all of that smells, and I still buy all of that, but I use those when I wash me and my husband's clothes, and towels, sheets, guest towels, dish towels, things like that. I've had a few loads of clean laundry just sitting around my house, and I'm finally going to go into my boys' room and fold and put away all of their clothes. I find it so much easier and faster to make 2 separate piles as I'm folding, one for my 6-year-old and one for my 3-year-old. It's just so much faster at the end when I'm trying to put everything away. I hang up all of their shirts, so I also lay those shirts out as well, and I usually do that last.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can get from you. Boy, I don't need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. enough, get enough.
Sorry guys, my camera's a little out of focus. She could be tired sometimes, but she'll get it together in a second. I wanted to talk to you guys about doing a possible Q&A. I've been getting a lot of questions here and on my Instagram, and I've been getting more subscribers. Yes. Ask me your questions down below. You can also come to my Instagram. It's at love_Candis and ask me your questions over there. Now I'm just going to wash the boys' bedding, but first I'm going to switch the mattress protector from the top and put it on the bottom where my 3-year-old sleeps. Even though he is 100% potty trained, I still don't want no accidents happening at night. So I actually did clean the mirror after I cleaned the bathroom. So if you're wondering why you didn't see me clean this mirror, girl, this thing wasn't even recording when I thought it was.
I just wanna be with you. Baby, it's a place where we could go, where it's always shining like the sun. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Baby, it's a place where we could go, where it's always shining like the sun. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you.
So looking back at this footage, you guys, it's so yellow on camera. It's not as yellow in person, but I have to finish replacing all of our light bulbs to the bright white. It just shows up better on camera. So hopefully it's not annoying you guys as much as it's annoying me. But honey, this has got to be fixed.
What you hiding? What you hiding from me? What you hiding? What you hiding? I think I saw you with another. I think I saw you with another.
So I saw on Pinterest that you can use dryer sheets to kind of collect the dust and dirt from your baseboards. So I'm going to try that for the first time on some spots that I've kind of seen some dust collecting. I'm not going to do my entire house. I'm going to see how it works. I've never tried this before, and I'll let you guys know. So now I'm gonna clean the front door, you guys. It is so gross. I don't think I've ever cleaned our front door really since we've moved. I've like sanitized the locks and the door handle, but see all kinds of mud and who knows what else is up there. So I'm gonna take my trusty magic eraser, Up and Up brand of course, and see if this works.
I think I saw you with another. I think I saw you with another.
Back upstairs to put the towels in the dryer, and then I'm gonna put the kids' sheets in the washing machine, and then back downstairs. So I'm going to clean out my utensil drawer really quick. There are things in there that don't belong, so I need to put everything back in its place. But first, I'm going to take everything out, wipe out all those gross crumbs. I don't know how they got in there. I'm finally getting around to these nasty floors. I don't mop it as much as I should, but I'm finally getting around to it. I definitely want to try that spin mop that I've been seeing so many people use. My mom uses it and she says she loves it. So I don't know why I've been putting it off. Probably because I don't mop my floors as much as I should, like I said before, but I do need to get that thing.
To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your parts, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your parts, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your parts, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your parts.
So the last thing I'm going to be doing is taking the trash out, and then I'm just going to quickly wipe down both trash cans because it could hold a smell if there's like crumbs and stuff in there. So I like to wipe those out from time to time, and then that'll be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.